Hello everyone, welcome to my web scraping gigs. In this video, I will walk through my process of extracting data from a website. Let's dive in. First thing first, let's open the website and get what we need. In this case, I want to get all of these products and its detail, just like the product name, the price, the store name, and the location. Let's see, I have created the script to get the data, and I just run the script. While it's running, it happened like this. Within a few seconds, I got the data. Here is the data. We have about 85 row of data. If we want another data, another URL, let's say I want to get handphone, it's like this. Just copy the URL and paste it right here. Save it and run. Well, it's running within a few seconds. And that's a new data, 85 rows again. And we've got every single thing we need, like product name, the price, the city, the store name, the rating, and everything. And that's it. Thank you.